Looking for exciting remote job opportunities? Well, today I've got something special for you. Airbase, a leading fintech company, it's hiring for multiple positions right now, some of which pay up to $32 an hour. If you ever wanted to work for a company that values collaboration and innovation, you wouldn't want to miss this. Welcome back to Helpers TV channel. I'm Tina, and today we're diving into the latest job opportunities at Airbase. From data entry roles to customer support, office admins, there's something for everyone. Plus, Airbase promotes a truly remote culture, ensuring you can work from anywhere in the world. So, let's explore these fantastic job opportunities together, and I'll guide you on how to apply. So, Airbase current openings, all right, they have something for everyone. If you are in India and you are interested in office admin people team contract, this might be a job opportunity for you. You want to read through. Just so you know, they have awards and recognition. Airbase is the top ranked modern spend management platform for businesses with 500 to 5,000 employees. Okay, so if this role it's something you're interested in, is 6 to 12-month contract, you want to look into it. And to apply for this job is as simple as just putting your first name, last name, email, phone number, location, and attach your resume. If you have a cover letter, it doesn't have asterisks, that means it's not required, okay? And then tell them how you hear about them, of course. WellPost TV channel. And if you have a LinkedIn profile, you want to put that, the city, and that's it, submit application. Let's go back to the openings. All right, they have product marketing manager at Egypt, remote, Egypt, okay? They have senior graphic designer in India. In USA, they have head of procurement strategy. This right here is in USA. If you are in US, United States of America, and you're looking into opportunities for head of procurement strategies, this might be, a job for you to look into, okay? Working at Airbase, they strive to build and nurture a culture where employees feel energized and connected to the work each day, all right? And about the role. As head of procurement strategy, you will have a unique impact at Airbase by directly influencing the vision and success of our guided procurement offering, okay? The primary goal of this role is to help evangelize Airbase and build awareness in the procurement community. This is your primary goal, okay? And they say what you will do. Primary responsibility, 90% of the role. This is technically all you're going to be doing. 90% of the role will be to be the face of Airbase in the procurement community. Actively pursue opportunities externally that represent Airbase in the procurement community, speaking at events, engaging with analysts, and all of that, okay? And this will likely require 20 to 30% travel. You will engage in community building activities in the procurement industry, online and in person, okay? And then collaborate and contribute with our marketing team to design and drive webinars, eBook, and other content that adds value to the procurement community. And then they said assess requirements and work with prospects to overcome hurdles during the sales process by assessing fit-through use cases, cost benefits, return on investment analysis, and technical competence. They said build and manage Airbase procurement customer advisory board. All right. Secondary responsibility did just 1% of your role, which is, tiny bit of your role. Collaborate and create content with our onboarding and all of that. What you bring? You bring 7+ years experience in procurement. So if you've been doing procurement for up to 7 years, This job right here is for you. Okay, and demonstrate experience of active participation in procurement community, experience developing and implementing procurement. These are all experience that come with having been in the procurement sector. Okay, and to apply for this job, first name, last name, email, phone number, attach your resume. Okay, and then how did you hear about them? If you're legally authorized to work, put all of them and submit your application. Guys, if you find this video interesting in any ways, do not forget to support your girl, support WellPost TV, hit the subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, share with your family and friends, and don't forget that sky is the starting point. Stay winning, stay positive, and I'll see you in my next video. Thank you for watching.